Water storage infrastructures were affected by the natural disaster of May 2022, where water would be spread and lost in different ways.
C'est vrai que kwetu sie, c'est vrai, bon, tuwa probleme moya tu juu ya mai. Mai, surtout qu'on va déplacer, abapate mai. Population, huku Maturunga, siyo Kanyaruchinya, mawapi, mavue, Kanyovue, kule mavue, mai haipatikane. Bien que oui, siye, tunapaka kasi yetu siye kusaidia. Na sisi tukasaidia population. Sasa tunakiana hizi gari zetu za mai. Zinapima saidia, siye tunashikutana, sasa tuko na hizi gari zetu za mai. Bon, tunashuta kulake, tunatia chlore, na desinfecte matanke.
Tunatumikia population kufanya chloration ya mai. Tulikuwa tuko tunaklore mai tu na maserenge na kupatia population ya mabido mai na serenge. Mena wakati bakimbizi wamekuya, leta imetuoblige meme makamio zianze kupata dawa. Jua kuexploite mai kutosha hapa, kupeleka mpaka niveau ya Kanyaruchinya, Muja.
Goma is a crisis-affected zone, had the problem of water sources which were affected by the bombings and other war issues. Water to be storage was a big issue. The displaced population was not able to store water, whereby persons with disabilities couldn't be able to use water as there was a big loss of quantities.
Quantité mina beba mie inaservire population ya mingi, watu wa mingi sana.
Tenye mina estimaka mina za chloré par jour. Par bidon, 16 quoi moins de 300 ou bien 450 bidons par jour. Yenye ko chloré. Camion, mina pasha fika mwa 50-60 camions par jour. Zenye ziko na chloré kubeba mai ku population na kubakimbizi kule yule. Walemavu bako na ile profit sana juu ya nini? Kusema kilema atoke Muja akiye shota mai hapa kulaki. Atoke Rusayo akiye kushota mai hapa kulaki. Eske mutamuzia gari, mutamuzia pine, mutamuzia nani moto? Il faut camion njo imufikishie mai ti kwake kunyumba. Njo maana ile matanke yenye kwa kule yulu inasaidia population sana a travers ya nini? Ya hii makamion.
The paraplegic persons use quantity of water. Unfortunately, they don't have possibility for it. So the initiative of water tracking is enabling paraplegic to be able to contain quantity of water and use it for a long period, as they are not able to move to the water points. So the trucks take water to the paraplegic persons with disability for storing water, and this water, it is helpful for them in terms of energy, time, and also resources. Water tracking system helps the community in Goma to store water in big quantities and for them to use water reasonably, because it solves insecurity issues, but also it solves the accessibility for the persons with disability to access water. The paraplegic persons, they use big quantity of water and they lose without any control if these trucks are not there. But as the initiative of storing water through water tracking, it helps the paraplegic to use reasonably water, which is now helping also them to save their economy and to use properly their family resources in terms of avoiding much expenses, and also to keep their sanitation. as they could wash a lot, clean their body a lot, but also for food and drink. So it helps them. The tracking of water, it is a solution to the paraplegic persons and the other people with disability